I'm Jocelyn Fehrenbach, Strategic Account Manager at Kubota Brabender Technologie.
And I'm Grant Holmes, Strategic Account Manager at Kubota Brabender Technologie. For over 60 years, Kubota Brabender Technologie has been a global leader in ingredient metering equipment and systems. Whether you're handling free-flowing powders or challenging pour-flowing ingredients, we provide tailor-made solutions designed for precision, consistency, and reliability. Our lineup includes gravimetric feeders, also known as loss and weight, which offer real-time weight monitoring for maximum accuracy. Volumetric feeders are ideal when batch delivery times are a little more flexible, as our gain and weight systems provide a practical solution for managing costs without sacrificing performance.
We are always excited to be exhibiting at the IBIE, but this year we're especially excited. For the first time, we're unveiling an automated batching system developed in collaboration with Northwind Technical Services.
With this system, the manual component using the traditional scoop and scale is not required. We know there'll be ingredients added to the mix that will continue to rely on this method. However, perhaps there's an opportunity to review 5, 10, 20 or more ingredients that are constantly involved with each campaign. The results: better product consistency, exceptional precision and repeatability, greater throughput, and more efficient use of labor. In an industry where demands keep growing, automation isn't a convenience or luxury, it's a necessity. We're here to help, making that transition smooth and worthwhile.
For processes where microingredient dosing is best handled with loss and weight feeding, our trusted Congrav controls deliver precise, reliable performance, cutting batch times with simultaneous ingredient delivery and giving you full process command. We're also thrilled to introduce our next generation OPS operator interface with crisp, high-resolution graphics and text-based orientation. We're also bringing back one of our most popular features, our interactive augmented reality experience, where you can get hands-on with our flagship FlexWall Plus series. So if you're attending the IBIE, come visit our booth at 4643 in the West Hall. Meet our team, ask us questions, and we'd love to show you how our feeding equipment and batching systems can help improve quality, reduce waste, and streamline your operations. To book an appointment, feel free to email us at sales@kubota-btca.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Vegas.